Okay, in this short video we're looking at the word assemble, and assemble is a verb, and the definition of assemble, it means to put parts or pieces together to form a whole or a complete unit. If you want to talk about phrases that describe starting or attempting the action of putting parts together, you might use these phrases. You can begin to assemble. So the technicians began to assemble the new machinery this morning. So began is the past tense of begin. You might need to assemble something. So you might say, we need to assemble the prototype before the client arrives. And finally, you can try or attempt to assemble something. So if you try to assemble the parts incorrectly, the system will not work. To highlight or talk about the objects or people involved in assembling, you might use these following phrases. You might use the phrase assembly line, and the assembly line is designed to speed up production process. You might need a team to assemble something, and you might use the phrase like this: we formed a team to assemble the solar panels on site. And there may also be parts to assemble. And here you can say something like, the kit includes all the parts to assemble the furniture. If you'd like to talk about or show how the action is performed, you might use the following phrases. You can use quickly assemble. You might use it like this: workers quickly assembled the shelter during the emergency. You can talk about carefully assemble. So you must carefully assemble the delicate components of this device. And you can fully assemble. And the robot is fully assembled and ready to operate. If you want to talk about the source, the location, or the result of the assembly process, you may use these phrases. You might talk about assemble from. So the structure was assembled from prefabricated materials. You might talk about it being assembled in. And so we might talk about the product is assembled in the main factory. So here we're saying where it was assembled. And assembled into, when we can use this phrase, the individual modules are assembled into a complete system. And this is the result. It's into a complete system. What we've spoken about. Assemble means to put things together. It is common in technical fields like manufacturing, IT and engineering. And practice using phrases to improve fluency in your workplace. That's it. Thanks for watching.